Hello. Okay, everyone's doing this. At first I thought I was allergic to cinnamon, but I'm not. I'm about to do the cinnamon challenge. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. I like it. Really good. Want some more? Pretty good. I love it. That was really good.